rhymes and kid songs.
Hi friends, let's take a trip to the pond and meet some fun animals.
Down by the pond where the lilies grow, little green frogs jump to and fro.
Ribbit, ribbit, they all sing,
Splashing water with the spring. 5 fluffy ducks go waddling by, wearing tiny hats, oh my, oh my. Quack, 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 they call with glee, waving wings so happily. Slow little turtle with the shiny shell carries his house, he walks so well. Creeping slowly, not too fast, smiling as the dragonflies pass. Tiny pond fish wiggle with grace, dancing bubbles all over the place. Swish and swirl, they race and play, zipping around all through the day. Now the stars shine soft and deep, pond ferns yawn and fall asleep. Turtle snores and fish float slow, fireflies flicker with a glow. Frogs curl up beneath the reeds, ducks dream sweet in feather heaps. Moonlight hums a lullaby, sleepy pond, good night, good night.